What up mga solid subscribers? So ngayon ang papanoorin po natin guys itong video po ng ating mahalima no, kay Miss O po ulit guys no. Shoutout kay Miss O no, sobrang solid no. Maraming salamat palagi Miss O no. And ito, ang papanoorin po natin itong mind-blowing answers from netizens to the SB19 questions from Mega Magazine no. So I think this is naman to medyo wag naman sana mga controversial questions. I think hinandpick naman po ito ng Mega Magazine no? Hindi naman siguro nila gagawin yung mga bagay-bagay na para ikasira ng ating mahalima no? So yun lang guys, ayaw ko na patagalin pa. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Let's go.
Mind-blowing netizens' answers to Mega Magazine's SB19 questions.
Let's go.
To further celebrate SB19's historical event in their career, as the first ever man to grace the cover of a women's magazine, Mega dropped a question for the fans. How has SB19 changed your appreciation for music, especially P-pop and its community? Here are a few answers that will make you realize how deep the impact SB19 has created in the P-pop and OPM scene. SB19 made me listen to OPM again. As a millennial and an American for most of my life, OPM became foreign to me. Not to bash the novelty songs and songbird tunes which OPM is known for, but these were my core memories of Filipino music. That changed when I found out about SB19.
Okay guys no, amin man hindi guys na talagang may mga Pinoy po talaga. Actually isa rin naman ako at alam ko yan, napakaraming Pinoy no, na talagang mas tinatangkilik po. Hindi ko sinasabing gano'n ako pero may ibang mga Pinoy na talagang mas tinatangkilik yung mga foreign music no? Kasi sinasabi doon nila, nababadoyan sila. Pero guys, hindi ako gano'n, hindi ako nababadoyan sa mga Pinoy music Nakikinig lang po ako ng mga foreign music and yan, nakikinig ako. Pero tinatangkilik ko pa rin guys, mga OPM band, Mayonnaise, napakaraming banda na sobrang solid. Mayonnaise, Silent Sanctuary, Hail, Six Cycle Mind no, talagang mga ano pa yan, mga year 2000 pa po talaga, napakasolid no? Talagang sobrang sarap panoorin, pakinggan. Actually hanggang ngayon naman marami pang mga banda no? And yun, mas marami po talaga na Pinoy na talagang mas tinatangkilik po yung mga tugtog ng ng mga foreign artists, foreign groups no. Kasi daw kasi daw is mas mas maganda and parang ambaduy daw ng mga tugtog ng Pinoy no. Yung naman yung sad reality pagdating sa mga ganyan no. Pero hindi na sila masisi no. Pero nakatuwa lang dahil yung mahalima no, talagang naibabalik nila yung kung anong ganda ng musika natin talaga no. Although na marami talaga music maganda ngayon sa Pinoy no, pero yung mahalima kasi sobrang nag-stand out sila no? Kasi mga kanta nila hindi yung mga regarding sa tungkol sa babae, tungkol sa heartbroken, tungkol sa mga chika bebe. Yung mga ganun guys no. Eh yung ating mahalima hindi rin sila mahilig gumawa ng mga kanta na puro payabang na ganito pera o mga ganun no. Napakadami kasing naglalabasan ganun no? So ang ating mahalima hindi na kailangan i-flex kasi talagang enough na po yung talent nila na kumbaga action speaks louder than words.
Never thought that I could actually appreciate P-pop thanks to Pablo's genius songwriting, Josh mad rap skills, Styles' heavenly voice, Ken's rad swag, and Justin's top-notch creativity. I was taken back to my roots. Kaya pala ng Pinoy yan kasi SB19 yan.
Let's go!
Before I fell...
Kaya naman talaga kaya naman ng ating mahalima yun. Magtiwala lang kayo no. Kasi sila naman talaga hindi sila yung mga ibang mga grupo na umaasa sa management. Sila talaga sobrang hands-on po talaga sila. Kumbaga sila may sarili silang task. Gusto nila yung hands-on sila sa ginagawa nila. Ayun lang, basta sobrang hands-on sila.
To the SB19 rabbit hole, I was a pretentious music snob keeping inside my Western alternative rock music lane. After discovering them, I found a new appreciation for Filipino talent, lyricism, vocals, and charisma. They opened up my music horizon. I personally didn't like OPM songs, but when I started listening to SB19 songs, I started appreciating their music, the lyrics, the story behind their songs. Also, I started to appreciate OPM in general. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you, SB19.
Yun guys, no? Nakita nyo to, itong linya to guys, no? Ito, yan. I started appreciating their music, the lyrics, the story behind their songs. So, ayun po guys, no? Sumikat po ang ating mahalima dahil po sa mga kanta nila na talagang, ano ba, paano ba sabihin? Parang true to life story talaga, no? As in, and talaga yung mga kanta nilang sobrang meaningful, sobrang may kahulugan, no? Hindi lang siya, basta makarhyme lang pwede na. Pero alam niyo yung kay Looney, no? Basta makarhyme lang pwede na. Yun, basta yung makagawa lang sila ng kanta, okay na. Basta magka-rhyme lang yung next line yan sa ganito, okay na, no? So, ang ating Mahalima talagang ginagawa nila ng meaning, ginagawa po nila ng kwento, and talagang makaka-relate po talaga tayo, no? So, napakarami nilang kanta na talaga nakaka-relate tayo, no? So, isa na po yung sobrang nag-boom talaga, no? Talagang sobrang, actually hanggang ngayon naman, no? Yung mapa talaga, sobrang nakaka-touch yun. Kasi, aminin man na hindi, kasi kahit ako guys, no? Pagdating sa family ko, nahihiya ako pag sabi na I love you, nahihiya ako pag sabi na mama, pahinga ka muna, pahinga ka muna, ako muna gagawa ng mga ginagawa mo kahit isang araw, mga ganun, no? Nakakahiya siya, ang awkward at the same time, pero through music, through SB19 song na yung mapa nga, no? Kahit kantahin mo lang yun, i-play mo na lang sa tabi niya yun, no? Na masabi na dun yung mga gusto mong sabihin, no? So para iwas awkward lang, oh. Ayun na, yun yung pinaka-way nila, no? Let's go.
Only SB19 made me listen to OPM songs again. I've been living and working overseas, and honestly, I preferred Western music, but SB19 brought me back to my roots. They made me realize that Filipinos can also create and produce exceptional Filipino music, and can release high quality of performances and music videos. I've never been proud of our music until this moment, to the point that I keep on playing their songs at my workplace with full of expats. I appreciate OPM now more than ever.
So, ito, wala. Okay guys, no? Kung makikita nyo tong part na to guys, no? Yan. High quality of performance and music videos. I've never been proud of our music until this moment, no? So, ayun. Sabi pa niya, to the point, to peds. Na, joke lang. Hindi. Ayun nga, no? Kasi yung ating Mahalima naman, no? Siguro yung mga nagsasabi dyan na, ano ba yan? Parang ganto-ganto naman. Tapos isa pa, yung mga merch nila daw, ang mamahal. Tandaan nyo guys, lahat po ng binibenta ng ating Mahalima, lahat po ng mga merch nila, actually, pati yung mga tickets, yung mga yan, no? Ano yan doon naman napupunta yan sa quality, doon napupunta po yan para sa health din nila, napupunta rin po yan sa kakailangan nila, no? Which is, ayun na nga maganda, kailangan nila yun para po makapag-produce sila ng mga quality ng music video, quality ng mga kanta, no? And kaya kung gusto nyo mangyari yun, wag po nating questionin yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Kasi nakikita nyo naman, sobrang quality naman po lagi yung pinapakita nila, yung mga nire-release nila, no? So, ayun lang, nakakainis lang yung iba na, ano ba yan? Ba't ganito-ganito? No? Nakaka-bad trip. Sige, kayo na lang kaya mag-P-pop group. Gumawa ng P-pop group. Tala natin kung madalian kayo or makatapos kayo kahit mga isang buwan, no?
The workplace with full of expats. I appreciate OPM now more than ever.
Let's go.
OPM music has been the same for the longest time, and anything that deviates from that is not accepted as quality music. But SB19 proves that they can make a new kind of music apart from what we've been hearing for decades, and it can still be viewed as great OPM artistry.
Okay, so ito, ayun, ulit natin
Hearing for
OPM music has been the same for the longest time, and anything that deviates from that is not accepted as quality music. But SB19 proves that they can make a new kind of music apart from what we've been hearing for decades, and it can still be viewed as great OPM artistry, no? So, parang binasag talaga nila yung mga yung mga doubts ng mga tao, no? Yun lang naman yun lang pinaka-thought Binasag nila na kaya rin pala ng Pinoy na ganito, binasag nila yung mga doubts ng mga tao na Pinoy pala tong mga to, no? Akala nila is mga foreign artists lang kaya gumawa ng mga ganito, no? So ayun lang, nakita niyo naman kung gaano po talaga ka-supportive po yung mga tao kila SB19, no? Hindi, gaano ka-supportive po yung mga tao palagi sa ating Mahalima, no? And yun lang naman,
music, especially people.
Okay, yun lang naman, no? Basta maging lang tayo, maging supportive tayo sa kanila. Kung ano man yung mga hakbang nila, kung ano man yung mga gagawin nila, no? Sana andyan kayo palagi sa likod nila, no? Huwag kayong mawawalain. At the same time, syempre, Point of Views nakasuporta rin sa likod ng ating Mahalima, no? So, yun lang guys, this is Point of Views signing out. Peace, let's see.